Dear students, welcome to today class. Today we are going to write book back works on lesson 1. Okay, before that we recall the lesson 1. What's our lesson 1 topic? Yes, introduction to computers. Okay, first, a computer is a machine. It's made up of 4 types of devices. They are input devices, processing device, output devices and storage device. Input devices, processing devices, output devices and storage devices. Okay, first, input devices. You enter data and instructions into the computer by means of input devices. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. So the keyboard and mouse are the most commonly input devices. Okay, first one, keyboard. A keyboard is used to input your work into the computer. A mouse is used to draw pictures and select the object and text on the computer. Some other input devices. It's a joystick. It used for play games. And then light pen. We can draw anything or write anything on the screen by using light pen. Microphone. Using microphone we can record our own voice, music, sounds into the computer. Scanner. By using the scanner we can scan any pictures into the computer. Okay, so the most commonly used input devices, keyboard and mouse. Some other input devices, joystick, light pen, microphone and scanner. Next device is processing device. The processing unit of a computer is central processing unit. The CPU is present inside the CPU box. The CPU does all the calculations of the computer. Okay. So CPU is brain of a computer. Okay. The CPU, some parts. First one, hard disk, motherboard, SMPS, RAM, microprocessor. These are the very important parts of a CPU. Okay. CPU has 3 parts. First one, ALU. Second one, CU. And third one is MU. Okay. ALU means arithmetic and logic unit. The arithmetic and logic unit does calculation works only. That means the mathematical parts. Next one, control unit. Control unit control all the activities of a computer. Next one, memory. Memory unit. That means MU. It store all the data and information temporarily. Okay. The CPU has divided into 3 main parts. First one, ALU. Second one, CU. And third one, MU. ALU means arithmetic and logic unit. CU means control unit. MU means memory unit. Okay. Next one, output devices. The first one, output. Output devices source all the result of a work done by the computer. The most commonly used output devices are monitor and printer. So the monitor and printer is the most commonly used output devices. Monitor shows all the work being done by the computer. And printer means it helps you to take a output on the paper. Some other output devices are speaker and plotter. Speaker used to listen the music and sound. Plotter is used to take a large size of printouts. That means the banner, roadside signals, like that. Okay. Next one, the storage device. These devices are need to store data and information. These are called storage devices because they stored data for computers. The storage part has divided into 2 types. They are primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory means it's a primary memory is a main memory of a computer. It present on the motherboard. Primary memory has divided into two types. They are RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory. It is used for holding the data temporarily. So RAM means it's a temporary memory. And then when you switch off a computer, the datas are erased. Once you switch off the computer, the datas are erased in the RAM memory part. In ROM memory part, that means ROM, read only memory. It holds the instructions given by the manufacturer to operate the computer. It is a permanent memory. So RAM is a temporary memory, ROM is a permanent memory. Okay. Next memory, secondary memory. The secondary memory is used to data permanently. Its data is not erased even when the computer is switched off. Some commonly used secondary devices are the hard disk, compact disk and pen drive. So storage device divided into two parts. First one primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is classified into two types. It's RAM and ROM. RAM is a temporary memory and ROM is a permanent memory. Okay. So in a primary memory, when you switch off a computer, the data are erased. In secondary memory, even your computer is switched off, that time also your data are stored. Okay. Now we are going to write a book back work. First one, the result you get after processing is the output. And then dash is used to play games on a computer. It's a joystick. Third question, dash gives the result on a paper. Printer gives result on the paper. All internal parts of a computer include CPU are attached to motherboard. And then write full forms of the following. First one, CPU, Central Processing Unit. ALU, Arithmetic and Logic Unit. Third one, CU, Control Unit. Fourth one, MU, Memory Unit. Fifth one, RAM, Random Access Memory. Third pattern, quiz questions. First question, name the two types of memory. So the answer is primary memory, secondary memory. Second question, which device is also called as flash drive? Which device is also called as flash drive? It's a pen drive. Okay. Next D pattern, very short answer questions. What is the use of control unit? It control all the activities of computer. Second question, write two examples of each of the following. First one, input device. I write keyboard and mouse. You want to write anything means you write other input devices like joystick, light pen, microphone, scanner, anything. Okay. Like that, output device and storage device, I write monitor and printer, compact disk and pen drive. You want to write anything means you just change it. Okay. Again I read the second question. Write two examples for each of the following. Input device, keyboard, mouse. Output devices, monitor, printer. Storage devices, compact disk, pen drive. Next one, E pattern, short answer questions. What is a printer? Also name the three types of printer. Printer is the output device. It take the output on the paper. Type of printer, dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Okay, listen here. The printer. The printers are classified into three types. They are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. Okay, you are studying in next classes about briefly the three types of printers. Okay, next one, what is hard disk? Hard disk stores all the software and data. Long answer question. What is secondary memory? Explain any two secondary storage devices. The secondary memory is used to store the data permanently. Examples of storage devices: hard disk, compact disk, pen drive. Okay. Thank you. Write a book back work neatly and take a photo and send it to in your group. Thank you.